Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing good. Right. Now, in GK, today I am going to teach you lesson number 6, indoor games. Children, you all love to play games, right? So, what do you mean by games? It is a fundamental way that humans interact, and also they provide so many benefits for people. Okay, games make us to do so many work like exercise also. Children, especially, you all love playing games, and these activities provide us a great opportunity for the people to practice many different type of skills. In this class I am going to teach indoor games. Listen, indoor games. Children, when you play indoor games when it is raining or when it is too hot, you sit and play in the house. The game which we play inside the house or inside the room is called as indoor games. Especially indoor games means it helps us to practice essential cognitive skills, okay, and enhance the parts of the brain. When we sit at one place and play a game, we concentrate more on one thing. This indoor games helps us to concentrate on one thing. Okay, you can do work at one time. So this, for example, indoor games like cards, ludo, snake and ladder, chess, all these games can be played by sitting in a room. Okay, now we are going to do the textbook activity. By seeing different types of games, we will come to know which all games we sit and play inside the house or indoor games. Okay, this is your Sparrow textbook, Sem 1 textbook, page number 203. Okay children, lesson number 6, indoor games. On a rainy day or even when it is too hot to play outside, we can play many games inside. Identify the games shown below. Here are some games. They have given some games. We have to identify which is the game. As I have explained you on the board, children, when it is raining or when it is too hot to play outside, you sit inside and play the games, right? So I said your brain will you can increase the concentration by sitting inside. Okay, now we have to name the games. Now see, this is the first one. What are this called as? Do you remember what is this? These are called as cards. It is one of the game which is played as an indoor game. So you have to write cards here. Okay. Okay, write cards. C-A-R-D-S, cards. Okay, these are cards. Coming for the next, children, you have played this game in the house, right? When you have holidays, that time you will be sitting and playing all these games. So what is this, children? This is called Ludo. What do you call it as? Ludo. Okay, now write L-U-D-O, Ludo. Okay. Coming for the third one. What is this, children? Where there are soldiers. In this game, soldiers is there. Right. So this game is called as chess. What do you call it as? Chess. Now write third one. Chess. C-H-E-S-S. Chess. Okay. Coming up for the fourth one. What do you see here? A snake we are seeing, ladder also. What do we call this game as, children? Fourth one, it is called as snake and ladder. Okay, now write fourth one, snakes and ladders. Okay, you have to identify the game which are given here. The next one, fifth one. Okay, this is fifth one. Which is this game? You all have to play carom, right? So there are coins here. Okay, pawns. We'll call it as pawns. This game is called as carom. Write the spelling. C-A-R-R-O-M. Carom. Okay. The spelling of carom is C-A-R-R-O-M. Here there is an help box, okay children. There they have given the spelling as C-A-R-O-M. Actually the spelling of carom is C-A-R-R-O-M. Okay. Coming for the sixth one. What is this children? The game which is played as inside. This is called as what? Table tennis. So sixth one answer is table tennis. T-A-B-L-E. Table tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Table tennis. So these are the games or indoor games which is played. Okay. Now you have to write the answers correctly. You have to identify the game and write the name in the given box. Here. Like this. Okay children, write neatly. Okay children, now we'll go to the next lesson. Lesson number 7, means of transport. Children, we usually walk and go if it is nearby, right? So if it is far places, we may go by bus, we may go by car or anything else, right? So transport means carrying people or things from one place to another place. It is called as transport. There are different types of transport. For example, land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport, the vehicles which move on land, it is called as land transport. For example, car, lorry, bus, okay, auto rickshaw. You all use that vehicles, right? So that is called as land transport. The vehicles which move on water, like what do you say? Like ship, right? Steamer, and if it is for nearby villages like that, it is like that. Then like boat. All these are called as water transport. Then coming for air transport. Air transport, as you all know, aeroplane. Okay, air balloon. Nearby. Air balloon, then helicopter, rocket, all these are called as air transport. Now, here, air transport, right? So, as you all know, what do you mean by land transport, water transport, air transport? These are very important in our daily life, right? If you want to travel, you need all these types of transport. So now in the textbook, I will show you all different types of transport by writing the exercise. This is your textbook. Open page number 204. Page number 204. Okay. Then the lesson number 7. Lesson number 7, means of transport. Okay. See, when we need to travel to a nearby place, we usually walk. However, to go to places that are far away, we use various means of transport. Here, identify the means of transport shown below. Also indicate where each of them move by writing in the circle L for land, W for water and A for air. Children, here they have given different types of transport and they have given a circle also. We have to write the name of the vehicle and you have to write which means of transport like water, air or land, where it moves, you have to write in the circle. So we'll start children. We'll take a sharp pencil and we'll start writing. Okay. Now what is this children? First one. What is this? Right. What is this? It looks like a lorry, right? Then this is called as truck. Okay. This is called as truck. Write truck spelling T-R-U-C-K. Where it goes, where it moves, children? Land or water? Yeah, it moves on land. So in this circle, you have to write L. L for land. Okay, you have to write L. Understood? Then coming for the second one. This second. What do you mean? Like this two ox are there, children. This is called as bullock cart. What do we call? Bullock cart, right? BULLOCK. Okay? CART. Bullock cart. You can see in villages, children, bullock cart. So where it moves? It moves on land itself, right? So you have to write L in the circle. Okay? This is second one. Coming for the third one. This is third. What is this, children? Yeah, this is helicopter. Where it moves? It moves on land? No. It moves in air. So write what is this? Helicopter. Right. HELICOPTER. Helicopter. Right. So what you have to write in the circle? Which type of transport is this? Air. So write A. Right, children. So we're moving for the fourth one. See here. What is this? This is called as air balloon. It is the shape of balloon, right? So this is called as air balloon. So write air balloon. AIR. Air balloon. Okay. BALLOON. Air balloon. This is called as air balloon. So in the circle, what you have to write? It is airways, right? What type of transport is this? Airways, right? Air transport. So A you have to write. Coming for the fifth one. Where is the fifth one? See here. This is fifth one. What is this, children? This is called as bus, right? So write bus. BUS. It moves on land. So in the circle you have to write L. Okay. Then coming for the sixth one. What is this? What is this, children? This is train. Okay. So TRAIN. This is also, it moves on land itself, right? So you have to write L. Okay. Then coming for the seventh one. What is this, children? This is ship. Where it runs? On the road? No. It runs on water. Right. So this is called as ship. 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 So this is water, right? W. Okay. Water transport. W. The next one, eighth one. See here. This is aeroplane. This aeroplane was invented by the Wright brothers. So then if you go for bicycle also, the tires were invented by John Boyd Dunlop. Okay, you have seen the tires like that. So this is called as aeroplane. Write aeroplane. AEROPLANE. So what type of transport is this, children? Air transport. So write in the circle as A. So I have filled all the fill-in blanks here. You have to write neatly in your textbook. Lesson number 7. So today you have learned 2 lessons. 6th lesson and the 7th lesson. 6th lesson is indoor games and the 7th lesson is means of transport. Both you have to write neatly. Okay, children? Thank you.